Hello, welcome back to Salesforce Dealer. In previous video, we have seen about the dictionary. In this lecture, we will be talking about the sets. So, in previously, we have seen that the list, string, and tuple, and the dictionary, and there is a having some basic difference between the list and among the list and dictionary and to be string. So set is also is a different from the any other. So why we are using the set? So set is a not a support the duplicates value. So that's why set is we are using, and it's also we can find the intersection and union, symmetric difference, etc. We can find in the set. So if you want to get a more information about the set, to switch to our website. The website is a salesforcedealer.com. After the opening this website, click on the learn Python section. After that, go to into the set. So set in the Python are an unordered collection of the different data types. Sets have a no duplicate element. The element in the set are separated by the comma and enclosed within the curly braces. So guys, here is a difference that dictionary is also support the curly braces, and in, if you are talking about the set is also support the curly braces, but here is a difference. So let's see what is the difference. If you are define like first we talk about the difference between the dictionary and the set. The dictionary will support the key and value, okay guys, but if you're talking about the set supports the only value, okay guys. It's not supporting the any index, not supporting the key and value. So that's why here is the making the difference. But if we have to need to define the blank set. So what is the procedure to define the blank set, guys? If you are doing like that, then it will be considered as a dictionary. See, let's check the type of the A. So it is a dictionary. Then how will you define the blank dictionary? So here is the, if you want to define the blank set, so here is the code. Using the A is first to set, then use the small bracket, then check the type of a A. So it is a set. Okay guys. So this question is also asked in the many interviews. So please learn these things. Okay. So let's start the sets. Suppose it is my set. I am taking the duplicate value, but duplicate value will be not separated by the set. Okay. Then if I print the set, it's not a set, it's a set. Okay. Then you can see that the duplicate value is not stored in the set. So here is the reason is it is the basic difference between other to the sets. So if you now we are talking about the four step we are following. If we are following in follow in every standard data structure, is that is the view, insertion, deletion, and the updation. So first we are talking about the view. If you are, if you want to print any index numbers, so you can it's a set. Again, getting mistake, the set, yes. So set object is not subscriptible. What is meaning that it's clear meaning that the set is not supporting the index value. So that is why it is a you cannot do you cannot access any specific value of the set. So here is the index value is there, but is in the unordered form. So that's why is the reason you cannot access the any value. Let's check the enumeration of the set. So is the set is the enumerate. Give the set name. The set name is the SETT. So I'm forgetting to close the bracket. So see, here is the index value 2, Here is the 6, here is the 4, here is the 1, here is the 8, 5, 3. If you are talking about the list, so list is giving the is a order form, is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 0 to n numbers. But in the if you are talking about the set, there is a no order. So that is why this is reason that index values does not supported by the set. So you cannot accessing the any value of the set. So if you want to check, you can check it. See. It's a set. I again forgotten that it's a set. See, set the object is not subscriptible, so it's a not support. Then, if you are not accessing element, it's obvious that you cannot use, you cannot slice the set also. So let's see, it's a slice or not. So 4. So set is not subscriptible. So that's why it's the index. The reason is only is that set is not supporting the index value. So we are not accessing any value in the view area. So let's talk about the insertion in the set. So guys, there is a two function is used in the set for the insertion. The first is that is this add. The second is the update. Add is used for the adding the sum only for single value, and update is the use for the adding the multiple values. So let's see. So my set is that, okay guys, so set dot add, suppose I add India. Okay, so as I previously said, that is a it is a follow the unordered form. So that is why India may be add is anywhere in the location of the this set. So let's check this set. Where is the store? If the store is in the last. Okay guys, let's take the another things with the float value. So that, so let's print the set again. You can see it's adding from the last, but the guys, it's not necessary the all the value will be adding in the last. It may be come into the first also. So let's check the 0 and 1. It's a 0. Now print the set. Guys, you can see that then now this time the 0 is adding the in the front in the front of this set. So that's why I'm already said that here is a no order form, and you cannot store that any value at any position if you not want. So let's check the another function, that the update. So the set dot update. One more thing guys, if you are adding a this number which is already exist in the set, then at this condition the value will be not add. It will be so that is adding, but is a real is not adding that. Okay, so let's check. Is a 4 is a already have in the set. Again we are adding the 4. So let's think we have set. So, okay, I'm using a big bracket, so that's why. Yes, let's see. Then set, we will be not adding value because it's already having values. So if we are using like now we are considering is the string, is the 4 is a string, then it will be added. See where it is added. Yeah, here is added because now this time it is a string. So now we are going to use a update. So now I'm passing the list from this update. So here is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This number is already exist, so this number will be not exist. Let's check with the another things. It is another. Now again I getting started using the A is not defined, so we are define set. So see guys, set is successfully added. So here is the value is added uh, in this set. Okay, now you can see that all the value has added successfully. Okay guys, so here is a two method is that is the add, is the update. Add is stand for the using the adding the one value, a single value, and update is the deal with the multiple value. So let's talk about the deletion in set. First, we have now we are going to clear. Let's see. So if you talk about data insertion is the add, it's a update. It is the add is a used for the adding the single element in the set, and update is used to the add a multiple value in set. So now we are talking about the deletion. So we can delete the data in the set using the following inbuilt function in set. So what is the inbuilt? Del, yeah, as we know, guys, that the del is using the all. It's also using the set. It's also using the string, list, tuples, and dictionary. Also, then del, it is a delete all the value along with elements also. Okay. So next is the clear. Clear is used for the clear, pop, remove, and discard. Let's see what is the difference between the remove and discard and all things. So this is my value is a set. So guys, now we don't use the set, because if you are using a del, then it will be delete all the values of set. Now we have print the set, then it will be not defined. So again we have defined this thing. So set is my it's a set. So here now we are using a clear. um, Before we using the clear, we are going to use a remove and give the difference between the remove and the discard. So we are first talking about the difference. So here is the discard. It's a set dot discard one. Okay, guys. Okay, you can, if you have pinned the set, then you can see that the one is successfully deleted. Okay, guys. Now set dot remove are giving the few. It is all the value. It is not a index value, it is the value. Okay, guys. So if you print the set again, then you can see that the remove is a successfully delete the value from the set. So guys, what is the difference between a discard and remove? Here is the basic difference, that if the discard is not getting any, not found any value, then it will be not return any error message. But if we talk about the remove is not found any value, then it is the raise the error. Okay, so let's see. First discard, and again I want to delete a one, then you can see it is not given any error, because it will be not written any error. So now we are talking about the remove. Again we have removed the two. Basically two is not available in the set, so it will be raise the error. Okay, you can see that here's the give the error. So here is the difference between the discard and remove. Discard is not raising any error if the value is not found in the set, but in the case of the remove, it is the found, it is a raise the error when the value is not found in the set. Okay, guys. So now we are talking about the another function, inbuilt function is that the pop. Okay, guys. So set dot pop. It is a delete from the value in the front. It's set. Right. See, the pop in the set is a deleting value from the front. Okay. Now we are using the clear, the set dot clear. You can see the set is blank. Now using del set, and set is successfully deleted. So here is the function which we use in the set. So we are in this lecture we have covered the cover that is the view, insertion, deletion, and we are talking about the updation. So guys, if you talk about the updation in the set, so updation is not possible in the set, because set does not having index value. Then guys, how will you replace the value? The If you are not accessing any value, then how will you replace? Then replacing or updation is not allowed in a set. So let's talk about some extra feature of the set: finding the union, intersection, difference, and symmetry difference. By taking the value is a, is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 up to the sixth number. taking the B. Okay guys, now check the both type, both are the set. Now find the union of this A union B. It means that all the value will be come together except the duplicates value. It means the A also consisting the 4, 5, 6 and B is also consisting the 4, 5, 6 and the duplicate value will be ignored and all the value will be shown this using the using the union function. So if you want to use a B union A, so you also find the same output. Okay guys, if you want to get the if you don't want to write then you can also use the or for the finding the union. Okay guys, it's or of it's a pipe symbol, you can use the pipe symbol for the union. Okay guys, so now see, find the intersection. If using the A dot intersection and B, so A dot intersection B, it's mean that A and B only common value will be shown. It's mean that is the 4, 5, 6 and 4, 5, 6 is the common, so that's why A intersection B is printing only the common values. Okay guys, if you're using a B intersection A, so it will be also show the same values. See, if you want to use a symbol, then you can use A and B. Okay guys, so here is the method to find the intersection. Now we are find to difference with difference. Okay, so A difference B. So what A difference B? So 1, 2, 3. If you talk about the B difference A, it's a 7, 8, 7, 8, 9. If you talk about the A difference B, means the B having the 1, 2, 3. This value is not having in the B, so that's why it's given the answer is 1, 2, 3. Okay guys, now we are talking about the B difference A. The 6, 7, 8, 9 is not consisting by the A, so that is why given the 8, 9, 7. So A minus B you can use for the B minus A is a symbol for you can find the difference. If we talk about the symmetric difference, so let's check how to find the symmetric. A dot symmetric B, right? So let's see. Yeah. So you can see that the only common value will be a not so, and all the value will be up here. It is the opposite. It is opposite of the intersection. So if you want to symbol for this thing, so E cap B. E cap be used for the finding the symmetric difference in the set. So that's it for this session. I hope you have learned a lots of things from this video. So thanks for my watching video. Thank you guys.